wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arrum Karwati. I'm number 31. And in this happy opportunity, I will explain to you about inverting amplifier. Have you ever heard about inverting amplifier? The inverting operational amplifier configuration is simplest and commonly used of topologies. Inverting amplifier is one in which the output is exactly 180 degrees out of phase and with respect to input. So if you give positive voltage, the output will be the inverting amplifier circuit. In this circuit, there is a negative feedback. Negative feedback is feeding back a fraction of the output signal back to the input. But to make the negative feedback, we must feed it back to the negative input or inverting terminal input of op-amp using a feedback resistor, and we call it RF. And this feedback connection between output and the input of inverting terminal op-amp. The negative feedback results in the inverting input terminal having a different signal than actual input voltage. Therefore, we must separate the real input signal from the inverting input signal by using Rin. With inverting amplifier, we can decide to strengthen or weaken the voltage output by using formula K. And this is the formula. The equation is minus Rf divided by Ra. And we can transpose to know the voltage output by the equation voltage input multiplied by K. And now I will show you how to assemble the components to the inverting amplifier. So first, we should prepare components. There is a LM741. This is resistor 10,000 ohm as Rin, and then this is resistor 20,000 as RF and some jumper cable. And don't forget this. This is project board. Then you should know the pin configuration of LM741. This is pin number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because we want to make inverting amplifier, so number 1 is not connected with anything, and then number 2 connect with voltage input, and then number 3 connect with ground, and then number 4 connect with minus VCC, number 5 is no connection, and then number 6 as output, number 7 connect with plus VCC, and number 8 is no connection. So we can put the LM741 in this part of project board, and then this is resistor 10,000 straight with pin number 2, and then this is resistor 20,000 straight with pin number 2 and number 6. After that, jumper cable. Number 3 connect with ground. Number 4 with minus VCC, and number 7 with plus VCC. And then for the example, if we want to give the voltage input 5 volt peak to peak, we can use function generator and connect it to this resistor. So, based on this formula, we can know the gain. And the RF is minus 20,000 ohm divided by Rin 10,000 ohm, and the gain is minus 2. And then the voltage out, we can insert the 5 volt peak to peak in multiplied by gain minus 2, and the result is minus 10 volt peak to peak. And then, if you check it on the oscilloscope, this is the base for voltage input from top to the bottom, and the amplitude is 5 volt peak to peak. After that, through the inverting amplifier, the wave became like this, from bottom to the top, and the amplitude became 10 volt peak to peak, but with minus sign. Okay, I think it's all for inverting amplifier. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.